Off it goes, I think.
You filming it?
Yeah.
Send it to me, hey.
Wow, oh my god. Blow another whistle!
Blow another whistle! Blow another whistle!
Oh, there's no use, they can't hear us. They're trying to concentrate, Liam. Oh my god! Yeah. Keep going. Liam, when we turn around, I'll say now, okay? When I approach the kitchen car, I say now, okay?